What was that metal noise?
I don't know. Who cares? We'll figure it out when it breaks. No, he's not. No, he's not. Is he really? That little poser.
Oh, this is just nice little rocking. Alright, next time warn me! Holy cow!
It's inside too.
Yeah, it is. It's all over the place. I told you you need a new windshield wipers.
You need to prepare for this better fixer.
Yeah, I want to have some tools on us next time. There's just so many people around here, I'm not worried about it.
Oh, check this out.
I wonder if he's going to pull that off. We need some toe straps too, people. I wish I had some diff locker on this when I was going.
Oh, he did it.
Like nobody's business, too. Alright, well, if he can do it. Shit. Right, Joe?
Yeah, just don't get me wet. Or muddy.
What was that? We did pretty good, huh?
That wasn't too bad. I'll shoot you going through the mess.
Oh shit, just turned off. Oh, that's not good.
Park, put it on park. Oh, you didn't flood it, did you?
That ain't good.
I'll shoot you going through the mess.
Oh shit, just turned off. Oh, that's not good.
Park, put it on park. Oh, you didn't flood it, did you?
That ain't good.